So today in the shop, we're doing one of the more challenging jobs that you can do on a Eurovan, which is the dreaded heater core. As you see, we have to remove the entire dash and all the plastics to get to the heater core. And while we're there, we're definitely going to replace the blower motor resistor, and re-insulate the heater box. Conversely, if you have a bad heater box, we're going to have to do the same thing, and while we're there, we're going to replace your heater core, blower motor, and blower resistor, whether they're good or not, because you do not want to do this job twice. So what are the symptoms of a bad heater core? Well, you get a coolant leak. You could get it inside the cab. Your carpets could get drenched with coolant, or it might start off small and you notice you have a coolant leak and there's nothing under the hood that's leaking coolant, and you start to smell a little bit of the sickening sweet coolant smell inside your van. More common is the heater box issue, where you get lots of foam coming out of your vents, and that's because that foam inside the Volkswagen heater box degrades over time. And at first it's okay, but eventually your heat will not be hot and your AC will not feel very cold. And so it's the same process. We have to remove the dash and go back there. So that's the time to replace any other components that are back here so that you do not have to pay double labor in the future. We do all kinds of repairs and upgrades on Eurovan campers, MVs, and weekenders here at Poptop World. And if you have any questions as to whether your van needs this service or any other services that we provide, feel free to reach out to us at 425-786-4879, or you can send an email to sales@poptopworld.com.